the kanji order of 88. So this kanji here, the meaning of write, book or document. So in that case, this kanji are usually used. Here write, we know the write, that word here is kakimasu. Kakimasu. We know this word is right. Kakimasu. So meaning of that one, pronunciation kakimasu. So right. Another sound is sho. Another sound is sho. So this sound is ka. Another sound is sho. So sho here is, we know the toshokan. So here is sho. Toshokan. Another sound is jisho. Another sound is jisho. Here is sho, and over there is also sho. So two types of sho usually in 4 and 5 level. Toshokan, jisho. Ka sho. Kakimasu ka. Toshokan. Toshokan. Here is jisho. Jisho means dictionary. Toshokan means library. This is called dictionary. This is called library. So both are used. Sho in response of sho, and ka for meaning of write. So here firstly I describe the write, book and documents. Only for this purpose we can use this type of kanji. So here I need to know the order of kanji. So here horizontal 1, vertical 1, bigger horizontal to left to right, and other one similar, again lower one, again big one, vertical in the middle one, and here is also one another, this one. So this is write, book, dictionary, that one, write, library and dictionary. So again here that one, big one, a smaller one, similar one, bigger one, horizontal top to bottom, and here is the one, a stair, look like 2 steps. So again left to right, this one, and that one. This is the order of kanji. Again first bigger one, similar one, and this one, again similar one, again a little bit big one, and vertical one, and here is also 2 steps of a stair, like that. So this is ka. So here if I use kino report, o kakimashita. So kakimashita, so ka kakimashita. Kino reporto o kakimashita. I wrote a report yesterday. Yesterday I wrote a report. Kino reporto o kakimashita. So here is the kakimashita.